we posted an exceptional quarter, and that quarter came with record-breaking results across pretty much all the metrics. But what I'm really pleased is the fact that we see tremendous demand for our portfolio.
Wait, what do you say?
Self-what?
Not just self-driving, self-optimizing, self-protecting, self-healing.
It's the real deal.
We're surrounded by incredible teams and colleagues. We're not doing this all by ourselves.
Combined Aruba and Mist, this product or this entire set is the Gartner MQ leader.
HPE Networking has figured out how to leverage our technology, utilizing it or embedding it within the MX PTX platform. The leverage that the customer receives is magnified.
We bring photons to life, and then we slay them by the billions. It's not personal, but they had it coming.
And I think one of the differentiations that HPE brings is our services. I mean, we've been servicing these dense platforms for 50 years.
The good news for HPE and then for all of you as our partners is that the Green Lake strategy, which we set our course on about 5 years ago, is really resonating.